Hi there, this is Evil from IMVU, and I wanted to show you a really cool trick with color dodge for highlighting when you're creating clothing. And it's pretty simple. I'll show you both normal mode and color dodge so you can see the difference between the two. So I will do the normal first so you can see. I'm gonna rasterize this. Alright, so normally we're going to make a new layer, and well, there are a bunch of different ways to do highlighting. I do it on a separate layer because it's non-destructive, so I don't ruin my texture. I never use dodge and burn just because I don't know. It just seems kind of I don't really like the outcome and how it looks. So I like having the control of doing it on a separate layer because I can blur it and move it and make it lighter or whatever I need to do. So I've got my brush tool. I have white, and my brush is a soft round brush. And I am going to simply draw a circle here. Okay, and I'm going to Gaussian blur it. Okay, so there is the white normal layer when you highlight. Now I'm going to make another layer, and I'm going to change it to color dodge. Oops. And I'm going to double click and uncheck transparency shapes layer. Now I'm going to put down the same dot, and you can already see a difference, huge difference. I'm going to Gaussian blur it, and that is a huge difference right there between the two. I think that this one looks way better than this one, and you can add to it, make a brush smaller, and Gaussian blur. Actually, I'm going to just blur this time. Here's my blur tool. And you can keep adding to it until you have, oops, that was too much, until you've reached the desired blur or highlight, I mean. So go here, lower that down a bit. Just scroll up a bit until it looks the way you want it. This is a really good thing to use when you're making your highlights for your boobs and your butts. So that is how you do it. It's simple. Make a new layer, change it to color dodge, double click it, and uncheck transparency shape layer. That is how you do this highlight technique. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please like the video and subscribe. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.